Good evening, teacher and classmate. In this opportunity, I talk about represent my Peruvian culture. Uh, Object 1, Chuyo. Why did I choose it? Because it represents the Andean tradition of Peru. What does it say about me? It shows that I value my highland roots. What and others learn? They can learn about the cultural value of traditional Peruvian textile art. Object 2, dried yellow chili pepper. Why did I choose it? Because it is a vast ingredient in many traditional Peruvian dishes. What does it say about me? That I am proud of our cuisines. What can others learn? That Peru has a rich and diverse culinary tradition now worldwide. Object 3, Peruvian frogs. Why did I choose it? Because it is a national symbol that represents my anywhere. What does it say about me? That I feel proud of my country and national identity. What can others learn? The meaning of the red and white colors and how important the flag is for Peruvians. A cultural misunderstanding. Object red yellow chili pepper. What use called it cause? In some countries a species found in is uncommon and may be seen as strange or too strong. It could be misunderstood as something dangerous or uncomfortable local tastes. Thank you very much, teacher.